Hey fellas, top of the morning to you. I'm up here in Rogers, Minnesota. At the TA. Exit 207 on the I-94. I took an extra long sleeper berth. Make sure the plow gets through here. See, I still have to shovel around the front wheels, so I got my snow shovel with me. So I'm gonna be doing that. While coming here, I called the TA to go ahead and reserve a spot because everybody was getting off the road and they only had 4 parking spots left. Now for the reserve spots, you got to pay, so I called and paid. So as far as I'm concerned, it was $20 well spent. So, and that's like 24 hours. So yesterday I called about 3 or so. So it's 24 hours. Right now it's 10 o'clock Central Time. See, I'm gonna put the blast on, because there's like a max button. Holy crap, now I'm able to roll down my window. So I'm going to try to get as far as I can. I've been talking to some drivers. Some say, you know, the roads are pretty good. So I'm going to take their word for it. I don't know where I'm going to be stopped at, so I don't know how much more of a storm there is. I just put some anti-gel in, because right now it's 0. Yeah, it's 0 degrees. So I put some anti-gel in just now. I got a half tank. Then I'll run inside and hey, try to start my day, you know, roll with it. Because as far as anything goes, those Michigans that I was scheduled on to leave out Sunday, I can't do it. You know, I'm fucking 1,300 miles away. Still. I mean, that's just 700 miles one day. You know, in this, and I don't know what the weather's like down there. Or along the way back down to the Carolinas. Because I'll be going through make my way down to Bloomington. From here, Indianapolis, I'll be making my way down to Bloomington, Indianapolis, Louisville, Asheville, Knoxville, and down through the gorge. Get on to 40 and then so I got my so I'm gonna put this and then my snow shovel to good use. We'll go ahead and do all that. I just had a hell of a day yesterday. You know, I got plenty of rest. It's just a little bit skittish. But fuck, I got this shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my day. I'll post a video later on, and if anything comes up. Alright fellas, I got shit to do. Bye.